A glorious morning, everyone. I'm Aditya.
I'm Tanish.
Today we are here to explain and demonstrate about our project Clean Earth Separator.
The amount of garbage in the world is increasing every year, so we need innovative ways to separate trash. Because mixing all kinds of trash will make it hard for recycling, unsafe, dirty, and smelly. The Clean Earth Separator is a machine which will separate waste into three groups automatically. Those three groups are dry, wet, and metal.
We came up with this idea so that it would be easy to separate and recycle waste in recycling sectors, etc. Now we are going to demonstrate our project. This is dry waste. So it fell in the dry bin compartment. This is metallic waste. So it fell in the metallic bin compartment. And this is wet waste. So it fell in the wet waste bin compartment.
In this project, we used Arduino Uno, which acts as the brain of the project. It is a microcontroller which controls all the sensors and takes inputs from them. This is a breadboard. It is used for connecting all the jumper wires at one place. This is a proximity sensor. A proximity sensor detects metal by creating electromagnetic waves. When there is a metal object, eddy currents are created inside the metal which can be detected by the proximity sensor.
And this is an IR sensor. Now I'm going to explain the working principle of an IR sensor. First, the IR sensor transmits IR rays, or otherwise known as infrared rays. When I hit an object and bounce back, the receiver and the IR sensor senses the rays and creates a sensor input.
This is a raindrop sensor. When a wet object falls on the raindrop sensor, it detects the wet object by the change in resistance in the electrical current. So when there is a wet object, it can easily understand that and it gives a sensor input to the Arduino Uno. The servo motors just move the barriers and make the waste fall in their compartments accordingly.
Our project can be further developed and be used in crowded places like hospitals, malls, etc. This can also be used at recycling plants, where the objects fall from the conveyor belt straight into the compartment, and then the waste gets segregated into three different parts.
This project decreases manual labor. It separates trash very quickly with less error rate, and it has a very good efficiency.
So being great audience.